presidency of The Ohio State University, I confer upon you the medallion of that high office. It is now my honor, ladies and gentlemen, to present to you the 17th President of The Ohio State University, President Walter Ted Carter, Jr.
The vision. The future of higher education is and will be here at The Ohio State University. We, The Ohio State University, will be a model for the nation. Excellence is not a destination or a goal. At The Ohio State University, excellence is an expectation. And with the team that we've built, that expectation will be a reality. Today, I am proud, along with my entire team, to introduce to you what I call a 10-year runway, and it's a plan. And that plan is called Education for Citizenship 2035. Now, you've all heard that term before, Education for Citizenship. It's actually our motto, and we adopted it in 1938. And as you look behind me and you see the university seal, the Latin inscription on there is actually Education for Citizenship. And to do that, we're focusing on 6 strategic themes. First and foremost, academic excellence. It is our North Star. If we are great at academics, then everything else will soon follow. This means investing in faculty. We want to bring the best faculty here and retain them, compensate them correctly. It means resourcing our academic colleges and our academic disciplines to match not just the demand signal, which students tell us what it is that they want to study, but so that we can make a bigger impact in the future of our nation, in the future of here in the state of Ohio. So all of these things that we talked about, we will formulate them together, we will put them in a much more discrete plan. And everything that we say we're going to do will be transparent, we will measure them, and the plan will be dynamic. And on 1 July of 2025, the plan will go into action and it will last for 10 years. And I'm excited for our future because excellence is not a destination, it's the expectation.